Yo, welcome back to another video. Whoever's watching, listening. Hope you guys are in good spirits and health. So, getting to the business, you might be wondering, oh, we hit fucking stop loss. We made a loss again. Okay. However, we haven't. Okay. So, looking into it, as you guys can see, we traded US30 and we're still holding our BTC shorts. So, we'll get into it once we're out of that trade. But looking at this beautiful creature, why we entered into trade, let's get to the business right here. Okay, so I entered around here and then we had like a little bit drawdown. The reason was pretty simple, Luis. The reason was pretty simple. If you guys will go to the higher time frame, we already broke the daily. Daily actually swept the previous liquidity, and the next daily liquidity was actually this. So I'm like, all right, there's a high probability, okay, because we only trade high probability plays, in my opinion. I don't know rest of the people. So yeah, that's pretty much what I first did by when I wanted to make a play, because everything else I didn't want to go for, because it's a new week, new month, and there's a high probability as well, like I said, that the market is gonna go crazy, because it's early week and it's like 4th of October. So after that we went to the 4 hour. Okay, it's going to the downside 15 minutes. So the smaller time frames doesn't really matter what the fuck they're doing. Okay, now what we have to do, we head to the market news, which is for factory. We head to the up next and then we see, okay, boom, all right, I have 3 red folders. The first folder dropped around 1:15 when the New York Stock Exchange Forex markets open. All right, that came out bullish. But what happened? What did the market react to? Let me have a look. Okay, this is where the market actually opened. Let's have a look. Boom. All right, let's have a look. What did the market do? Oh, my bad. I thought I'll just go for one. 1330, 13. Right. Let's head to that. Let's play it out a little bit. 15 minutes. All right. Market opens. Wait for the spike. Right. So this right here, okay, it's like after the market opens and the news drops here. So we see like the market actually tried to sweep this 15-minute liquidity, okay. And I was wondering, okay, if this shit is really going to pump, right, if this thing is really gonna go, we should be actually just already be out of our play. That was my comment, sense. But after that, we have a body closing right here, and I'm like, okay, bro, this thing haven't swept already for our liquidity that's sitting up here. So it just gave me a better option, because our bias for the day was sells, okay. And after that, I'm like, all right, then I placed a 1 sec. So after that, I just put this tool, short tool into the market. We had 120 people a stop loss, and then we aimed for a 1 hour liquidity right here, 1 hour liquidity right here, and then daily liquidity sitting right here. So what ended up happening is I'll show you guys. So the market opens, okay, right? Okay, the news drops. This is where the white folder, yellow folders opens up. So the market, this was bullish as well. Before the red folder came out, ADP came out bullish. This one was bullish as well. Now, the main theme of the day was this, okay? Whether or not this was bullish. So this came out as, we'll have a look. How did that react? Okay, that came out as bullish, bearish as well. And then we end up hitting our first take profit, which was around 32,933, 33, sorry, which is almost 100 points move. So this actually came out as the bearish because it's good for the currency, and the market just had a pullback to the downside. It just swept the our 1 hour liquidity right here. And what did the market do after that? Market just had a reversal. We got stopped out around break even right here. However, it actually came close to our take profit too, but I like kept my stop loss right at the break even of the order blocker here. Then we ended up like exiting out. So that was the play today, boys. And also just I'm gonna clear the chart. I'm also holding down here our BTC shorts cells. We actually been sitting in the cells for almost like how long have we been in this play for? Let's have a look. Yeah, so it's been like a day and 20 hours. So yeah, it's still worth it. We still like jumping around our 4 hour OB, and we already like swept the liquidity on 4 hour right here, and then we're still like gonna go south. So these all the marks that I have is just like one to 15 minutes like liquidity, just like sign and I have alerts on. So that's all the wrap, and I'm gonna show you guys the proof where I sent the notice. So you guys can see I sent the play right here around, which is around like a quarter to 2 before the market opens. Beautiful entry, went into the drawdown, marked the TPs for the people. We opened 3 lots on this, ended up hitting TP1. We sell 50% pushed up so they break even or in profit on. We made $1,317, and after getting stopped out after all the commissions, we made $1,239, and we are up for the day, which is this. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. That's just the beginning. Already we started with some pain, as you guys can see here, but we'll covering it in BTC, and we'll be up good in coming videos. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't joined, follow me on the X. Description has all the links there. Feel free to join, and I'll see you guys in the live market. Take care. Bye now.